Welcome back, everybody, to the second part of Griffin's building spaceship place. And now we're gonna begin to do the coolest one. Well, that one is the coolest and this one is the coolest. So start like this and then put them all together and then do that, and then you can add this. Well, you need 2 layers of it. And you have to put that there and here. But if you lift it up, it'll kind of break. But when you do it carefully, it doesn't break like that. And then you build another one on the side. And that's how you do it. That's how you build that one. And now we're starting to build the next one. Well, I forgot how to build this one, but we're gonna build something else. That's not it. Oh, that's just my cat. But we'll need to have some time to build it. Wait, let me just look. Oh, yeah, it's okay. Well, we don't need. Wow, we have more pieces actually. Well, that's actually the ship. So, that's it of the channels. Bye!